Hello my gems, this is Shelly and in today's video I'm going to review the Salvasu First Care Activating Serum and also their water and vitalizing mask. So Salvasu as a brand, they make luxurious skincare products and they have been in the market from really long time. Like their very famous First Care Activating Serum was first launched in the year 1997 and it is still like one of their best sellers. As soon as I saw that the brand Salvasu launched in India on Nykaa, I got my hands on few of their products, tested them out, and like I literally have been using these three products from a couple of months. So by now I have really good idea of what you should be expecting from this product, like what these products actually do for your skin and whether they are like worth splurging or not. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So at first I will be reviewing the Salvasu First Care Activating Serum, and this serum uses a good concentration of 5 Korean herbs, and all of these 5 Korean herbs, what they do is they brighten your skin, calm your skin, reduce the redness, heal your skin, regenerate your skin, smoother out your skin texture and provide that overall anti-aging benefit for your skin. And this serum has slightly viscous but runny texture, and also I have seen that with changes in weather, the consistency of this serum does change. Like during the summertime I see that the texture becomes a bit more lighter, whereas during the winter time the consistency becomes more viscous. And all this really doesn't affect the performance of this serum. It always performs the same on your skin, doesn't matter in which weather you use it. And this serum naturally has that orangey brown color due to the ingredients used in it, and they have not added any artificial coloring in it. And when you apply this serum on your skin, it sinks in seamlessly without any stickiness, and the serum is actually quite very lightweight, and this is why I feel that all skin types can use it for all the seasons. So this Salvasu First Care Activating Serum can safely be used on a daily basis for both morning and night routine, and you use it right after cleansing on your clean dry face, and you only need 2-3 pump of it. And this quantity is sufficient for your entire face as well as for the neck area. Once you have patted in this Salvasu First Care Activating Serum, then only you will use your toner, essence or any other serum that you want to use. Use your eye cream and moisturizer. So this Salvasu First Care Activating Serum, this basically preps your skin for your entire skincare routine, and whatever you use after this will perform even better. And additionally, this serum works like an amazing skin brightening and anti-aging product. So for my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, I have seen that this Salvasu First Care Activating Serum has done wonders. Like it adds that healthy glow on my skin and also helps in getting that even skin tone. And if I have some minor acne marks on my skin, it also fades it over the time. And additionally, I have seen that it smoothens out my skin, it also firms my skin and makes my skin overall healthy. And surprisingly, I have also noticed that this First Care Activating Serum has reduced the pore size. Like the product doesn't claim that, and also I don't have that major large pore issue, but I do get them sometime, and this has definitely made a difference over there. So this serum is 100% essential oil free, 100% carrier oil free, but it does have that natural and artificial fragrance in it, and this fragrance is not that prominent and like it doesn't linger around. Like once you like pat it in this serum on your face, the fragrance will go away completely, and it has that bitter herbal earthly fragrance. But just in case if your skin is allergic to the fragrance in a product, or your skin is allergic to the alcohol in a product, you can always like try out their mini first. And I personally feel that if any product is formulated really well and alcohol percentage is really low, it shouldn't be a problem for anyone, because many times alcohol is needed in a formulation because it acts as a solvent. It helps in the better penetration of the ingredients, and so the formulation overall matters a lot to determine whether the alcohol used in it is going to harm your skin or is it going to be beneficial for your skin. But again, like everyone's skin is different. If your skin is like allergic to it, please try out the sample first. For the age group, I feel that this is best suited for the 25+ age group, and but at the same time I feel that if you are 16+ or 15+, you can also try this out. I initially was a bit worried, like like whether it would work or not. So this is why I bought the 15 ml quantity of it, and it worked really well. And now like this is honestly like one of my favorite products, like from not just from the brand, from whatever I own. It is something I see myself buying again and again in the future, and want this product to be a permanent part of my skincare routine. And I'm so thankful that the brand Salvasu has gifted me a full size, and now I can be little generous with my product, and I don't have to, like, at least for the coming few months, I don't have to worry about getting another bottle of this. So next I have the Salvasu Essential Balancing Water, and this is basically a toner, and it has a very unique texture. Like, consistency is quite viscous, but at the same time it feels like a watery gel, and when you apply on the skin, it sinks in immediately without leaving any residue and without any stickiness. So since the product is quite lightweight, I feel that all skin types can use it for all different seasons. And again, in this toner they have used some handful of botanical extract, and the ingredient list is quite short for the Salvasu product, and all these ingredients are rich in antioxidants, so they help in fighting the free radical damage. They also calm the skin, and at the same time they are quite brightening on skin as well. This toner is 100% essential oil free and is 100% carrier oil free, but it does have some moderate fragrance in it, and also they have used alcohol. So just in case if your skin is allergic to the fragrance and alcohol in a product, please try out the sample first. And this toner can be used on a daily basis for both morning and night routine, and use it after you have cleansed your face on plain dry skin, and then follow up with your essence, serum and moisturizer. And just in case if you are using this First Care Activating Serum, use this first and then follow up with this toner, and then your remaining skincare products. And for my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, I found it moderately hydrating. I have also seen that it calms down my skin and also adds that healthy glow on my skin. So overall, a really good product. I definitely enjoyed in my skincare routine, and again I feel that this is particularly made for 20+ age group. And the next product is the Salvasu Overnight Vitalizing Mask, and this is basically a sleeping mask, and it has a very rich texture, but still like it feels quite lightweight on skin. Like, no matter how much I apply on my face, everything sinks in seamlessly without any stickiness, and it makes my skin like velvety soft. And next morning I always wake up to a well-nourished, overall healthy, glowing skin. Also, I love the fact that it is 100% essential oil free, it is 100% carrier oil free, and again, like, it does have added fragrance which smells like bitter herbally to me, and after the application the fragrance goes away completely. And I feel that all skin types can use it for all the different seasons except for the oily skin. Like, if you have oily skin or combination oily skin, use it only for the winter time, and that time this mask will work fabulously for you. And this sleeping mask can be used on a daily basis, and is to be used only in the nighttime skincare routine. After you have used all your product, you have moisturized your skin, and then use this. But you can also replace your moisturizer with this, and I sometimes even use it in the morning skincare routine. Like, it literally doesn't have any ingredient that would make it like unfit for the daytime. So feel free to use it for both morning and night routine, and you can even replace your moisturizer with this. And for the age group, this is like best suited for the 20+ age group, and I feel even 15-16+ age group can also use it. So overall, a really good sleeping mask. This is definitely like one of my favorite sleeping masks that I have used till date. So that's all for today's video, and if you have any Salvasu product in your wish list, any product that you want me to test out for you people, you can leave the name of the product in the comment section below, and I will try to get my hands on it as soon as possible. And so yeah, that's all for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.